Hulaween is part haunted carnival, part art installation, and part world-class music festival. It's spooky, eclectic, and immersive in a way that few other U.S. festivals can match. Whether you're here for jam bands, EDM late nights, or the insane art installations in Spirit Lake, this is your ultimate guide to planning your trip. Hulaween is an annual 4-day music and arts festival held at the Spirit of Suwannee Music Park in Live Oak, Florida. It's hosted by the jam band The String Cheese Incident, who play multiple themed sets across the weekend. This event blends jam bands, EDM, funk, hip-hop, and indie acts, giving it one of the most eclectic lineups in the U.S. festival scene. Hula is held in the park because it's an iconic venue full of mossy oak trees and permanent infrastructure. This year's Spirit Lake theme is the Radiant Veil. You should expect mind-bending art, projection mapping, and hidden sets after dark. There are 5 main stages: the Meadow, the Hallows, Amphitheater, Spirit Lake, and DEF Off Limits, a 360 after-hours experience inside Spirit Lake. The String Cheese Incident anchors the weekend with multiple themed sets and surprise collaborations. But there's so much more to Hulaween than just the music. It's the people you meet, the connections you make, and the adventures you have that will stick with you. If you're looking for a fun way to encourage yourself or others to have those micro interactions at Hulaween, then you need a SideQuest grid. Each grid has 25 micro adventures that will help you create memories beyond just the sets. We'll be on site giving out a limited number of variant cards, but you can secure yours today by pre-ordering at sidequestgrid.com. Food is cashless across the venue and campgrounds. Use your card or a digital wallet. Options range from pizza and tacos to plenty of vegan and vegetarian eats. Merch and craft vendors may still accept cash, so it might be worth having a little bit on you just in case. Primitive camping comes with your GA ticket, but you'll need a car pass if you want your vehicle at your campsite. RV passes are available in limited supply with or without power hookups. If camping isn't your thing, there are hotels and Airbnbs around Live Oak, but they book up very quickly. And just a heads up, starting on Tuesday, October 28th at 2 p.m. Eastern, there is no car re-entry to the campgrounds. If you drive out after that, your car is going to have to stay in day parking until Sunday at 8 p.m. A 4-day GA pass is currently $534.67 at Tier 3, with primitive camping included. GA Plus upgrades run $699.66 and get you perks like expedited entry and premium amenities. Shorter options are available too. You can do a 3-day, a 2-day, or Sunday only. But parking is separate, so snag a primitive car pass or RV pass if you're bringing a vehicle into the campgrounds. Costumes aren't just encouraged, they're part of the culture. Be sure to grab everything you need before you enter, because once the no car re-entry rule kicks in, running to town isn't really an option anymore. Pack for extremes. It can be hot and humid during the day, but drop into the 40s at night. Go watch the bats. Trust me. Be sure to screenshot set times and maps. Don't count on having service. However, there is some limited public Wi-Fi available near the music hall and country store. Showers and bathrooms are available in the campgrounds, but expect lines to be long during peak hours. That's your crash course on Hulaween 2025. If you've been before, drop your best insider tip in the comments for the first timers. And if you're new here, hit subscribe because we've got festival guides, reviews, and vlogs dropping as fast as we can from our van as we chase down every festival in the US.